My family and I are sitting here watching television. We just literally felt something go off, and it felt like a fucking bomb. And now we have black smoke coming from among the trees. My husband just took off. If you listen, you can hear the sirens and the whistle. Something just exploded in my small hometown of Delhi, New York.
It did it again. It did it again.
It keeps making loud explosions. It's not good. It's actually quite scary.
See?
Look at all that smoke. Something's going off. It keeps exploding.
Okay, I'm getting scared.
That's bad, yo. So, yeah. For all my townies,
There it goes again.
something keeps exploding. I don't know what the hell it is, but it can't be good.
It's darker.
It's not
The smoke is black.
That's not Pizza Hut.
My husband, quiet. It's bad. There's like a lot of sirens going
There's
off.
some lights.
Oh my God, look at that black smoke.
No, that's the Legion. That's the Legion.
No, the Legion's over that way. That's too far out. I'm trying to figure out where this is coming from. It could be Pizza Hut.
But they're so close to us.
No, Dami, the Legion is over here.
Yeah, it's from over there.
These trucks are flying by like crazy. Because something is intensely going on right now. I'm actually feeling very overwhelmed with emotion.
Me too.
This is very scary. I don't know what this is. I don't know where it's coming from. Something just literally blew up. Like, you see where my house is, and we felt it.
There's a red dot.
Oh my God. Well, you can see the sirens and the lights and the trees.
There it goes again.
Yep, it keeps exploding. So if y'all notice this,
Is it a bomb war?
we don't know what happened.
That's just spitting out.
It's scary. I got the goosebumps right now.
I'm shaking.
I hope everybody is safe. I hope nobody got hurt. God bless nobody got hurt, whatever this is. Look at the fucking smoke. Oh my God, it's getting blacker. Where is this coming from?
Oh, when Daddy gets back, we're gonna ask him.
Oh man. I don't like this at all. Something just blew up.
War. Russians are attacking.
It's not funny.
Okay, so
You don't make jokes about this. Somebody could be hurt right now.
Now the sirens are getting louder.
The sirens, the fire trucks. Oh my Lord, I've never heard so many fire trucks at one time.
It was all the sirens.
Look at that. Tell me that's not intense.
It's scary.
The college is right there.
Oh, that's the gas station.
I think it's a gas
That's the
station. My
gas
daughter's right. I think a gas station just blew up.
That's the
Express.
Express. Or
Hey, maybe it's a college kid being a moron trying to smoke a cigarette, because, you know, college kids in my town are very bright.
Wait, Justice might be dead because that's where her mom was.
Quiet.
Is that
oh,
Daddy?
I think that's Dad.
I think that's Daddy.
Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, they probably didn't let him go that far.
Yeah, that's Dad. I can see yellow.
I'm cool.
No, it's not Daddy.
Yeah, because if,
Oh
you,
my
if you
God.
look at it,
Look at this.
that's why it's black, because it's gas.
Oh, it is gas.
It's bad.
Gas?
Guys, stop. I'm really freaking out right now. I don't know what this is going. I don't know. This does not happen around here.
Daddy?
Where's Daddy?
No
He's my husband.
No headlights, of course.
Ding, ding, dong.
He's about to let me know what's going on.
And the
What
results.
is it?
Orange.
Go ask Daddy.
I'm cold.
Was it a gas station?
Come on!
What is it?